In this video, we fill some nasty bug holes. I'll show you a really cool trick to hiding imperfections in your finish. And funny enough, I'll show you how to sand with the sander off. Enjoy! So once we poured the resin, it was cured about 7 days later. I'm going to take it and put it on our CNC machine. We're going to flatten it. We're going to add a little bit of epoxy, and then that'll secure the slab so that we can start sanding it. Here I'm using a 2-part epoxy from West Systems. So these slabs are so thin, unfortunately you can see the hardware on the surface, so we're putting a little black Osmo to make sure it's hidden properly. So it's finally delivery day. This was a table that was made by an artisan about 7 years ago. We took the slabs, we flattened them, put some resin in between it, filled all the bug holes, built a custom base. Once we delivered it, our client was completely satisfied. We'd love to know your feedback. Let us know what you think about this video in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day and thanks for watching.